Hey, you are watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome. I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I created this purple blue nail look with striping tape and some gems. If you like what you see, stay tuned. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with my bare natural nails. They are so stained, it's not even funny, but I'm not going to stop painting my nails, so let's ignore it and add our base coat. So I'm making sure to wrap the edge of each of my nails, and I'm doing 2 base coats. So once I'm done painting my 2 base coats, I'm going on to my colour. So I've got this blue purple colour and I'm putting that on my baby fingernail. I'm going in with this nude colour for my ring fingernail and middle fingernail. Back to the blue purple for my index finger and thumbnails. And onto a second coat of all the colours. Again, I'm making sure to wrap the edge of my nails because I like the nail polish to last a long time. But if you're not bothered about how long your nail polish lasts, go ahead and paint your nails however you want to. So once the nail polish is all dry, and I'm talking bone dry, we're going to add our tape, sticking it down at a diagonal angle on the side of the nail, adding the blue purple colour and peeling off the sellotape, and you should be left with this. Once that's done, I'm adding more sellotape, this time on the other side of my nails at a diagonal angle. And again, adding my blue purple colour to the side of the nail. Once I'm done adding the nail polish, peel off the sellotape. And then you're left with this. Time for some striping tape. So I'm adding some blue tape and placing it in front of the lines of polish that I made before. Once that's done, go ahead and cut off the excess. Again, adding more striping tape. This time I'm making an X shape in the middle of my nails. Once it's all placed down securely, cut off the excess. On to some nail gems. I still can't find my nail glue, so I'm using foil glue and I'm just adding my gems. So I basically used the dotting tool to do this, and I arranged the jewels onto my nail the way I thought it looked nice really. Used a triangular diamante kind of jewel and 2 tiny little gold circles for the sides, and on my middle finger I decided to put 1 more tiny gem at the point of the triangle. Arranged them the way I wanted them, and I was left with this. Then the last step is to add a top coat, making sure to wrap the edge of the nails if you want to. And you are left with this. All done. And here it is, my purple blue nail look with striping tape and nail gems. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like, comment, subscribe and share. If you didn't, I don't know what to tell you. And you can follow me on my Instagram at Zing'sNaturalNails, where I post more of my nail looks. Bye!